students, today we study about some definitions as one subsets. A set is said to be a subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B, denoted by A subset of B. This denotes A subset of B. This denotation where A and B have the same element, and this denotation A subset of B, B has other elements as A has, यानी A के अलावा और भी एलिमेंट्स B में हों. क्लियर? If there is no element in set A which is not an element of B, then we write A not subset B. Clear? First point, note here, every set is its own subset. Second, empty set is a subset of each set. Number of subsets for any set is equal to 2 power n, where n is the number of elements of set. So number of subsets we find by the formula 2 power n. Clear? n क्या है यहाँ पर? n is the number of elements of given set. Intervals. Closed interval. It is denoted by a b by square bracket. Clear? And is denoted as a dot b in square bracket. This is equal to in curly bracket a such that x greater than equal a and less than equal b. This is equal to set of real numbers from a to b. Clear? This is the diagram here. We dark circle denoted on a line a b. This dark circle and the dark line between a and b denoted by a b as a open closed interval. This is called the closed interval. Now second, open interval. It is denoted by small bracket a b or open bracket a b, see here, and is defined as a b is equal to inside x such that x greater than a less than b. This is equal to set of real numbers between a and b. Here a and b are not included. Clear? See diagram by the open circle, not by dark circle AB. Third, closed open interval. It is denoted by AB, beginning by square bracket and closed by small bracket, or closed by AB closed by square bracket, but this is the inside or this is the outer side, and is defined as AB is equal to x such that x greater than or equal a or less than b is equal to set of all real numbers between a and b including a but excluding or not including say b. Clear? See the figure here. Beginning dark circle and in the end is the open circle. This show the closed open interval. Fourth, open closed interval. It is denoted by AB, beginning by the small circle closed, or this is the square circle closed, and is defined as AB is equal to x such that x greater than a less than or equal b. This is equal to set of all real numbers between A and B, excluding A. Excluding A means not include A, and including B. See by figure, A as the open circle and B as the dark circle. This is called the open closed interval. Now we discuss about proper subset. A set A is said to be a proper subset if of set B, if first every element of A is an element of B, and second B has a least one element which is not an element of A, yani B has extra element. This so by A subset of B, or we say this A proper subset of B. Superset of A. A is said to be a superset of set B if B is a subset of A. That is, each element of B is an element of A. If A is superset of B, we write this A superset of B. Power set. The collection of all subsets of a set is called the power set of A. It is denoted by PA. In PA, every element is a set. Clear all of you? Today homework is learn and write all definitions. Clear?